Welcome back, my dear friends. We are discussing about the federal features of the Constitution. Now, today we'll discuss about the unitary features of the Constitution and how do you remember those techniques. So, unitary features are very interesting to know. What do you want to become normally for UPSC? Why do you study? You want to become an IAS officer. So, the code is IAS. How do you want to become an IAS officer? By using the pen. So, the code is IAS pen. Okay, remember the code IAS pen. There are three I's. Remember, there are three I's, two A's, and four S. Okay. Firstly, what is the first I? First I is integrated judiciary. What does integrated judiciary mean? Supreme Court is the apex body, and all other courts are integrated with the Supreme Court. So it is integrated judiciary. Which article deals with integrated judiciary? That is Article 131. Okay, that is mainly dealing with the Supreme Court. So next. What is another I? It is integrated audit. Integrated audit. Who does the audit for the central government and the state government? It is the CAG, Comptroller and Auditor General. So Article 148 mainly deals with Comptroller and Auditor General. So it is integrated audit. That is another unitary feature of the Constitution. Coming next for next I, it is integrated election machinery. Which is the integrated election machinery in India? That is the Election Commission. So that is Article 324. Okay. Now we will move on to A, IAS. So A, there are two A's. Okay, first is All India Services. What we want to become? All India Services. Which article deals with All India Services? Article 312. Okay. Next A is Appointment of Governor. Why appointment of Governor is a unitary feature? Because the center has more stakes in appointment of the governor. Okay. The state has very less stake in the appointment of the governor. So A. Next we come to S. There are four S. We have a single constitution, that is one S. Another S is states not indestructible. We are an indestructible union of destructible states. Okay, so when it comes to destruction, we can destruct the states, but union is not destructible. Okay, next point, strong center. Another S is strong center. Strong center, when we make laws, some state laws can be overridden by the central laws. Okay, next point, one more S, that is single citizenship. Countries like USA and UK have double citizenship. But in India, we have single citizenship. A citizen is only belongs to India and he doesn't belong to any state. He doesn't get the citizenship of any state. He just belongs to India. He's an Indian. Okay, easy, right? IAS. Now you remember PEN. What is PEN? P stands for Parliamentary's authority over the state list. E stands for emergency provisions. Articles 352, 356 and 360 deals with emergency provisions. In that, Article 356 and 365 deals with the President's rule. Article 365 mainly deals when the state doesn't comply with the central laws, then Article 365 can be imposed on the state. Okay, that is Article 365, emergency provisions. Emergency provisions is done. The last point. Last point is N. How do you become an IAS? You need the pen, right? You write fast, you write quick, you become an IAS. You write mains, right? Got my point? Okay. Next, N. What is N? There is no equality of state representation in the Rajya Sabha. Go to the Rajya Sabha, Tripura has only 3 seats, but UP has 31 seats. So when you come to this unitary features of the Constitution, you remember IAS pen. So it will be very important for you to remember this because in prelims, they'll ask direct questions. There will be direct questions. What is the unitary features of the Constitution? They'll give you some options and confuse with the federal features. You remember the federal features, right? Very simple. That is birds watching. This is IAS pen. So we end up the lecture with the features of the Constitution.